hope you're all well. So today I am really excited because I'm going to start my decorating for autumn and Halloween, but I'm even more excited today because this is the first time that I'm decorating in our new home. So I'm going to take you along with me, so give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and it inspired and motivated you to do some decorating for autumn and Halloween. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. First of all, I started to sort out all my autumn and Halloween decor. This is just things that I've built up over the years, I've bought. So if you do want to see previous Halloween and autumn home decor tours, then I will link them down below. I generally stick to the same colour schemes, and every year I just add a little bit of new decor. In the kitchen is where I put all the Halloween decor, and in previous years I have focused on decorating the coffee corner the most, but this year, because we have a new layout, I decided to put most of the decor on this spare part of kitchen top, which we think we will eventually make into a breakfast bar. But for now, I wanted to decorate this area as it is the first bit of the kitchen you see when you walk in. For inspiration as well, I generally gather ideas from Pinterest. So I will link both my autumn and Halloween decor boards down below if you're in need of some inspiration also. This cute little mat I picked up last year from Lidl. It was under £5, but I absolutely love it. So I placed this on our back patio door. Then it was time to decorate for autumn in the living room. Now I do find here in the UK it is hard to pick up autumn themed decor. We're more about Halloween here and not really autumn and fall. So I just kind of, if I see stuff, I just grab it. These pumpkin coasters were from Laura Ashley. They used to do the best selection of autumn decor, but unfortunately they're no longer here in the UK. So like I said, I just, anything that looks autumn themed and I think will fit in with my decor, I just grab. So let me know in the comments down below if you do want to see a full tour of everything that I've used and decorated with. This here I'm decorating on this tray. I do switch this around a lot and I'm not 100% sure if I'm happy with how it looks. So I most probably will change up a bit of the decor here in the living room and also the kitchen. But if I do change anything up, I will most probably share with you guys it over on YouTube stories. Or if you do want me to do a dedicated autumn and Halloween home decor tour, then let me know in the comments down below. Keep your eyes peeled as well, because I do have another come shop with me coming up at the end of the week. And this is just dedicated to all of the Halloween decor that's coming out right now. Now we're into October, there's definitely a lot more of it about. guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep a lookout for some more autumn and Halloween content coming your way soon. And I hope you're all having a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.